Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to set up and run C program in Visual Studio Code. So first we will be installing mingw, which is a C compiler, and then Visual Studio Code, and then let me show you how to run the program. So let's get started. First thing, just Google mingw. We'll be having the official link here. Click it, and here we'll be having the download option, and as you can see we are having these many downloads over here. So just click it. The download will be getting started, just 84 KB in size. Open it, and we'll be having the setup here. Just click on install, and this is going to be the installation directory. If you want to change it, you can just click on continue. This will take some time to set up the installation manager, so be patient. So once it is done, we can simply click on continue. So here make sure that you are checking this base, select mark for installation, and here you are selecting GCC G++. Click this mark for installation. These two are enough, and click on installation and click on apply changes. This will take some time to download, so just be patient. So once it is done, we will be getting all changes were applied successfully. We can simply click on close and close this also. Now if you go to search and type mingw, we'll be getting this mingw installation manager. Select open file location, and again right click and select open file location. This is going to be the path where we have installed mingw on our system. Just click on the first mingw folder here and go inside bin. Okay, so we must copy this path with the bin folder, and now go to search, type environment. We'll be having the aid the system environment variables. Open it, and here click on environment variables. Under user variables or system variables, select path, click on edit, new, and just paste it. Okay, and select OK everywhere. Now just open the command prompt, and now we will be checking if we have the GCC version. So just run the command gcc space ---- version, and that's it. We have got the version over here. Next thing is we need to install Visual Studio Code and set it up. First thing, just Google VS Code. We'll be having the official link from code.visualstudio.com. Just click it, and here we are having the download for Windows option. Select this, and the download will be getting started. It is around 119 MB in size, so just be patient till then. Once the download is complete, just open it, and we'll be getting the setup. Just click on I accept the agreement and click on next, and this is going to be the default location where Visual Studio Code is going to get installed. If you don't have space in your local disk C, just change this to local disk D or E. So once you're done fixing the location, just click on next, and this is fine. Next. And here is an important thing, make sure that you are checking all these checkboxes. Okay, this will be super useful in case if you are directly going to open a file or folder by right clicking on it. Okay, so just click on next, and these are the stuff that's going to happen now. Click on install. So once everything is done, just check launch VS Code and click on finish. So now in Visual Studio Code, first let's open a folder. For that, click on file, open folder. Just go to your desired location. In my case, I will just go to local disk D and right click new folder. Let me name it as C project, and just select that and click on select folder. That's it. This folder will be getting created. At this moment this folder is empty, so here we will be having the new file icon. Click it, and let me just name it as new program dot C. We need to have the extension as C. Okay, and now we can also increase the font size. For that, here you are having this manage icon. Click on settings, and the first option is going to be font size. Make sure that you have it around 30 or 40. And here I am having a basic C program already written. Now we can have some extensions to make our coding work easy. For that, here you will be having the extensions icon. Select this and just search for C extension pack. Okay, just search it and we'll be having the C or C++ extension pack, and this will install 4 of these. So just click on install. This will really help us in development as well as autocomplete and recommendation of our code. So it will make your development work so easy. And after that, now we need to run the program. For this, I'll be showing you 2 ways. One is through terminal and another one is using the code runner extension. So to open a terminal, here we'll be having the terminal option. Select it, new terminal. And to run it, it's going to be gcc space your program name with the extension. So it's going to be new program.c, and that's it. This will create a a.exe file. Now to view the output, /a and hit enter. That's it, we are getting the hello world printed. So now if I change it, every time I need to run a couple of these commands. So it's going to take some time. For that, what you can do is again go to extensions. This time search for code runner, and we'll be having the first one, and just look at the number of downloads, and it helps us to run these many languages so easily. So just click on install. That's it, it is done. Now let's say I'm making some changes over here like this. To the top here we are having the run icon, right? Just click the drop down and here we'll be having run code. Click it. That's it, we are getting the output. So every time you create some changes in the code, you can simply save it and directly click on this run button. It will run the program without you doing any commands. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.